Welcome to the stream. So the goal here is to make a VTube character for one of the fellow members of Note Jelly, collective group of streamers that get scared together. And yeah, he basically wants a dishwasher, which is his name, his handle. I'm thinking American cartoon style. I'm just gonna start sketching and we'll see how this goes. I don't know if he's here today, so might not be able to get input on it, but we're just gonna wing it and see what happens. Let's see. Okay, dishwashers are generally cube, rectangle shaped, right? So I'm gonna start with that. So dark yet. The trick is with this one, it's like, where am I gonna place the eyes? Where am I gonna place the mouth? Obviously on the front, but I'm gonna have to play around with positions to see which one I really like best and what I really think is gonna pop, you know? And also I'm curious on like what kind of dishwasher is going to be like what style, what era of appliances. Is this like a dishwasher from the 90s, from like the early 2000s, 2024? They all have like a different aesthetic vibe to them. The main thing is it just needs a face to get the expressions across, and I gotta play around to see with, is it going to be cute, is it going to be kind of dingy? We'll see. Does he have a nose? Does he not have a nose? I don't know if he needs a nose. Does he have eyebrows? Are they thick? Are they thin? What's his like natural expression? Is he a wise guy? Is he a shy guy? These are the things I gotta really play around with. Hey G-Funk, what's up? Thanks for being here. How are you doing today? This is a character for Dishwasher. It's going to be his avatar. So just going to play around with sketches and see if we get anything that I like out of this. Probably have some knobs up here. I'm basically just going to sketch until I find something that I like, or until something, you know, Dish likes. So that could take, you know, any amount of time. I'm just going to stream this for a couple hours and see how it goes. I could get to like a finished painting within that time if I wanted to really push for that. But really, I'm just trying to explore different ideas and stuff for now. So for that, there's really no like time limit. It's just and kind of until I feel like I don't want to do it anymore, you know? I'm just testing out a bunch of different options to see kind of like what vibe I want to go with and what shape language I want to go with. Because I don't want to go and take all these to the finish point. I just want to pick like a couple and then paint those ones and then see from there, see which ones I like, and then he can pick one out that he likes. You know what I mean? Then there's a general rule of thumb that like whichever one the artist likes is almost never the one that the client wants. So there's no point really me like just choosing one myself and being like, okay, this is the one you're gonna use. I feel like this guy a lot. Just something about his slightly like derpy but cute expression. And then I like this guy next to him a lot too, but I feel like that's like a little too Aqua Teen and Hunger Force. But I also got to keep in mind that like this is a person's voice who's going to be using this, and a lot of times the voice I was picturing in my head for these characters is definitely not his voice, so. Also, guys, check this out. I did this last night in between. I did this animation. You guys check it out. I didn't do it for an emote set. I did it for my because all I had was like these bland like stream element overlays. So I did it for like follower alerts. But looking at it, I think I can make it an emote for sure once I have animated emotes. Here, check it out. I did it. I added it to my character. So. Oh no! It's on my hair. Why? So I can just toggle that basically as long as I want.